In a peaceful village nestled in the mountains, there lived a wise old monk named Hiroshi. Every day, villagers climbed the steep path to seek his wisdom. One chilly morning, a young villager named Kenta visited Hiroshi, filled with doubt and uncertainty. "Master Hiroshi, how can I achieve my dreams? They seem so far out of reach." Hiroshi smiled gently and gestured for Kenta to sit. He handed him a smooth pebble and a small cup of water. Kenta, looking puzzled, holding the pebble, placed the pebble in the cup. Kenta placed the pebble in the cup, and the water overflowed, spilling everywhere. "Master, the pebble is too big for the cup." "Exactly," Hiroshi said. "This pebble represents your dream, and the cup represents your dream, and the cup represents your current abilities, all at once. But if you keep adding tiny pebbles, one by one, eventually the cup will fill up without overflowing. To achieve anything, you must take small, consistent steps. Patience, perseverance, and belief will transform your dreams into reality." "Thank you, Master Hiroshi. I understand now. I will take small steps every day to achieve my dreams." And so, Kenta left the mountain feeling lighter, knowing that with each small step, he was moving closer to his dreams. Remember, it's the small steps that lead to great journeys. Achieve anything, one step at a time.